Here's a guide on how to use the page health feature to optimize your website's performance. How to use page health. In this guide, you'll learn how to utilize the page health feature to enhance your website's performance, monitor various aspects of your pages, and make necessary improvements. Maintaining a healthy site is crucial for a smooth user experience and better search engine rankings. Step 1. Open the page health dashboard. 1. Access the dashboard. Click on the shield icon in the toolbar to open the page health dashboard. 2. Performance score. Select or create a page template. This template will be the foundation of your website's layout and interface, which you can customize further to suit your needs. 3. SEO Optimization. This section gives you a comprehensive overview of your page's SEO status, highlighting key components that impact your search engine rankings. Here's what it covers. Page title indicates if your page title is optimized or needs adjustments. Page handle URL shows whether your URL is optimized. Meta description checks for the presence and quality of your meta description. Social sharing image confirms if your social sharing image is optimized. Headings evaluates the structure and optimization of headings, H1, H2, H3. Images identifies issues with image optimization. Links checks the optimization of your links. Duplicate ID points out any duplicate IDs that could affect your SEO and site speed. Step 2. Optimize and adjust the parameters. 1. Page title. Adjust the page title to fall within 8 to 60 characters for optimal visibility and SEO performance. A well-crafted title within this range will help improve how search engines and users perceive your page, ensuring it is concise yet informative. 2. Page handle URL. Ensure that the URL length is more than 6 characters to avoid any performance issues. 3. Meta description. Create a meta description with more than 50 characters. A well-crafted description enhances your page's visibility on search engines. 4. Social sharing image. Optimize your social sharing image, adhering to the recommended size of 1200 by 628 pixels. This ensures that your link is properly displayed when shared on social media. 5. Headings. Incorporate an H1 heading on the page, as it's crucial for SEO. Add H2 and H3 tags as needed for better structure, improving readability and search engine ranking. 6. Images. Replace any images that do not meet the recommended specifications. The system will notify you and provide a Fix-It button to guide you through the process. 7. Links. Ensure that all links on the page are optimized. This includes checking for broken links, ensuring that anchor text is relevant, and that links point to authoritative and relevant pages. 8. Duplicate ID. Address any duplicate ID issues that may be present. Step 3. Save and get support. After completing the page health optimization, please save the page. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact us directly through the chat channel. Thank you for watching this video and taking the time to learn about the page health feature. We appreciate your dedication to improving your website's performance and SEO. By optimizing your pages, you're not only enhancing the user experience, but also boosting your site's visibility and ranking on search engines. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and actionable steps to make the most of the tools available. Thank you once again for your commitment to excellence and for choosing to work with us. We look forward to continuing this journey together and seeing your website thrive.